Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to collect the black truffle mushroom in Heartopia. Mushrooms are useful materials in Heartopia. You can use them for cooking or just simply sell them for coins. And one of the most valuable mushroom in this game is black truffle mushroom. Black truffle This black truffle mushroom can be found around this area, this forest island, this one. Just go there and just walk around and explore the area slowly and black truffle mushroom usually appears on the ground, so make sure to check carefully as you move around, like for example over here, this one. And then just tap on this pick up icon like this, and then just walk around again, this one, and then walk around again until you get another mushroom like this, and just repeat this step until you get the enough mushroom. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can find black truffle mushroom easily in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.